Welcome to online medical product reviews. Today I am going to describe the treatment of alopecia, that is loss of hair. The most common reasons of loss of hair, there are two most common reasons. Number one is nutritional deficiency. If a person is not taking some certain vitamins or nutrients, then with the deficiency of those nutrients, their hair falls can occur. And another most important reason of the hair fall is this improper or decreased blood circulation at follicular level. When around the follicle blood circulation is slow or blood circulation is improper or decreased, then the follicle, what happens? Follicle become weak and it comes out from the root and thereby causing the loss of hair. For treating such things, such kind of problems, there are two types of treatments. The combination of those two treatments are: number one, treatment is minoxidil solution. Minoxidil solution is a solution which is used to increase the blood circulation around the hair follicle, which increase the blood circulation around the hair follicle root and thereby decreases the hair fall. In India, minoxidil, that is MINOXIDIL topical solution, is available in a brand name of Mintop 2%, 5% and 10%. This 2, 5, 10% can be used initially 2% you can use, and later on you can go for 5% and 10%. But I am sure if you are using 2% also, that can provide desired results to you. If you are getting desired results with the 2%, you can let it be remain with the 2% also. If the results are not getting, you are not getting that proper results, you can go to the 5% and then on to 10%. I am sure you will get in between the 2 and 5%, you will get the proper results. But for performing this, for using this solution, you have to perform a sensitivity test. Sensitivity test is it's a test in which topical solution, this minoxidil solution, few drops of minoxidil solutions are applied on a skin, and let it be few means 2 or 4 drops only, and let it be remain for 4 to 5 hours. If there is no irritation, no redness, no itching, then you can use this Mentop solution. But if there is redness, itching, severe itching, then this you cannot use this product. Since very rarely it is found that sensitivity test shows that there is an irritation or itching, etc. So only another thing is that this minoxidil solution is only suitable between the age group of 18 to 65. See, just below 18 and above 65 years of age of candidates, they cannot use minoxidil solution. Company don't used to claim that they should not use these products also. This is minoxidil solution, about minoxidil solution. And another point of the hair, major reason of the hair fall is this nutritional deficiency. For compensating this nutritional deficiency, one should use such kind of capsules or vitamins or tablets which contain gamma-linolic acid, niacin, that is vitamin B3, biotin, grape seed extract, green tea extract, and zinc, copper, and selenium. So finally, I'll describe these products physically. I'll show you. Company provides this packing, which contains a dropper, a minoxidil Mintop solution, that is minoxidil topical solution, a leaflet which provides all the information regarding this, which I have already told you, and then there is an assistance guide also, and there on which it is written that there is a toll-free number 1800-2660-240, or you can SMS HAIR hair to 56070, or you can visit to this website also. See, these kind of products are for hair fall treatment, are very good products. This is in regard of topical use, and these are the medicines which can be taken along with this therapy of minoxidil solution. we can say this is an oral therapy. Caraglo Men is for men, and Caraglo Eve is for women's. Although these products belong to the company of IPCA, which is available in India only, if these products are not available, one can go for the products which contain the same kind of ingredients like gamma-linolic acid, niacin, vitamin B3, beta-biotin, grape seed extract, green tea extract, zinc, and copper, selenium. If these kind of ingredients you are getting in some other brands, you can take that brands also. But what you have to maintain both the things. For proper blood circulation, you can use you have to use this Mintop solution, minoxidil solution, and for nutritional deficiency compensation, you have to use this gamma-linolic acid or nutritional tablets or capsules. Combining these two medicines, you can definitely prevent your hair fall. So, guys, thank you very much for watching my video, and please do like, share, and comment. If any doubt, you please comment in this my channel section, and I'll definitely respond. Thank you very much.